Hi, good evening everybody. Yes, now again we are with a nice sweet dish, that is Khapli Gauka Lapshi, that is Khapli Gauka Dalia. And this is actually, see, this is the gehu, that is the emmer wheat, which is been pounded or done it up. You can do it in a mixer, or else we've done it in a pounder, this thing, on a khalbatta. And I've got this coarse type of khapli wheat. And now I'm going to show how to make the lapshi. That is a very traditional dish which is to be prepared while Dasera, Diwali, or any good Holi time pe. So yeah, I'll show you all how to do it. Now keep the water also for boiling, little water just to boil it in the beginning, and then add say around 3 tablespoons of ghee, or if you want less, 2 tablespoons of ghee. Then add half a katori of dalia. I'm sure everyone's got some different types of bowls, so you can add any half to it. The ghee is enough for this much. It's just to roast it properly, and once you start getting a lovely aroma where the wheat is roasted, see, to roast the gehu properly or the wheat properly, just add little bit more of ghee, because you know I love to eat ghee lots. After roasting the wheat, just add 3 tablespoons of kaju, badam and pista, which I've just cut into small pieces. Yeah, grated them. Again, roast it properly. Add coconut. Roast it well till it becomes a little brownish in color. I have just made the water warm, and now add it. It will boil in water for a few seconds, a few minutes, because it takes little extra time to boil. This is little coarse than the rava, so it takes a little long time. Take a minute, huh? Give it a stir. Add a pinch of salt, just because when you add a little bit of salt to any of your sweet dishes, it gives it a more sweetness in it. This is Jaggery, which I've crushed it and kept. It's the same block Jaggery, so we cut it properly with a knife. And see, it's soft also. See, you can even press it with your fingers. See. Yeah. So, just add a little bit of Jaggery to it. Just warm the milk, or keep the milk for a little time on the gas, so that after you add the milk and everything, so it's nearly half cooked now, and after you add the milk, just give it a little boil and you can have it. Wait, I'll show you. So now I'll add the milk, okay? So now, after your milk has been added, yes, just stir it properly. Yeah, and keep a lid on top and let it boil. Wait for 10 minutes till it gets boiled on a sim gas. Now, after 10 minutes, it's sure to be done. So just, yeah, remove the lid and check. Yes. Lovely, it's thickened, nice thick Khapli Gavacha Lapshi. Khapli Gavachi Lapshi. Nice and thick. Good. Yeah. So just pick this up. I'll keep it on the next chula, and we'll make a little ghee tadka. We're adding the dry fruits and everything. I'm grating the coconut, so I can add it to the lapshi. This is also a very old grater I had from my grandmother. See, now I'm adding the ghee. Ghee is becoming hot, yes. Now add little dry fruits, which are cut and kept. And cobra. Yeah, just give it a little stir. And now I'll pour it in the lapshi. And if you like cardamom, add cardamom. It's according to your own taste. So sometimes cardamom and nutmeg, I told you last time also, cardamom and nutmeg goes with good recipes, with Jaggery recipes. So I'm adding the tadka now. Give it a lovely stir. And Gogo is waiting patiently. Look at his patience. Gogo, तुझ्यासाठीच तयार करते हा? हो. Lapshi. So the lapshi is ready. And this same lapshi, our forefathers, our grandmothers, great grandmothers, everyone used to have it during weddings or any good happy procession in the house, any happy festivals in the house. So then they used to have it that time as a sweet dish, and it was really healthy. And especially in the winters now, gehu, that is pounded, and good, and that is ghee also. It's good for your winter season. And so, now come on, I'm having my share. When are you going to come to have your share? Superb. एकदम मस्त छान. Yummy आहे. खरंच.